Alright, so what's up, Quad Squad? So, this is just quick, informative how to build your Qwadconnect phone holder. This isn't like a whole, YouTube video. This is just basically instructions on how to build it because it is parts and pieces come in different shipments and stuff because some of them come different suppliers until I come big enough that I just package it all in once. So, here's the video. Here's how you do it. And with that, the only one other thing with the video, include a little tool with it to make it so that it is for one of the bits that you tighten up. I'll pause the video and put an arrow to what part this makes it work with. Just make it easier so you don't have to like search your toolbox for stuff like this. So I printed it so that it worked exactly with that one piece. Anyways, let's hop right into it. This is how you build your Qwadconnect phone holder, which is this. And with that, it makes it easy to get your phone off and get your phone on. Let's get it. Through here. Everything comes in separate parts. So once you have everything come in, which will come in separate shipments, the way you build your phone holder is start with that into that hole, line it up, making sure the hexagon fits with the hexagon. Yeah. Alright. And then you put this one, well actually no, sorry, you take this and that, and you screw it on the bottom of that. Make sure, let me see, the other way, so and then you basically take that part, and then you match it up and put it over that. It makes it so it doesn't rotate, and it adds some more extra strength to it, etc. So that it matches up like that. And then you go and you slide it into this. So hold this up a little bit so the camera can see. Yeah. So like that. And then you take a screw, which I include with it, but so you'll get a washer and one screw that looks like this, and then flip up the armrest, and then you will like that, and then there's a hole to secure it to the armrest. And you might have to slide the armrest in and out until you find the hole. It's a little bit, there you go. It doesn't have to be super duper tight, but whatever you want. And then that is secure, so then try to slide it in and out. It should not move. Perfect. Alright, so you take that, and then you attach this arm to this. This arm. Go on like that, and then screw this onto this. And then you have that, and you put it on the end of this. And then the last piece, you can unscrew that. So then this is the phone mounting bracket. So you then basically slide it into those outlets. Might be a little firm since it's new hardware. A little better. Bingo bango. And then depending, grab my phone, whether you have the iPhone or you bought the mounting sticker because they only have cases for iPhones, you just mount it on like that. And then to take it off, you do the same thing. Just squeeze and then it comes off. Yeah. Bingo bango, and that's your phone holder. Alright, and then if you wanted to take it out or switch it out for the cup, you just adjust this arm, or this in. And then that comes off, and then you pull that part off, and then lift that, and then we'll unscrew the screw and pull it out.
Oh, the screw just is falling out?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, and then bingo bango. That's how you build the Qwadconnect.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.